Hey guys, welcome back, and let's talk about the reason you should go for S9 or S9 Plus after almost 2 months. I know that you have seen all the reviews about the phone, so it's not going to be that one. It's going to be the reason you should go for S9 Plus or S9. So it's going to be a kind of a biased review. So sit back, relax, and let's do this. So the first and foremost thing is display. I mean, it's amazing and definitely it's best in the business, and obviously you all know about the Samsung displays, and this is the best that Samsung makes right now. I mean, just look at it. It can make you fall in love in just few seconds. It's that good. Next reason to buy this buddy would be face recognition. By no means it's faster than OnePlus 5T, but obviously way faster than the iPhone 10, and it's accurate too. Not up to the mark, but if I have to give it to the rating, I would give it 8 out of 10 without a doubt. It's that good. And with that only, there's another thing in security department, which is fingerprint, and we all are happy with it because it's in a perfect position right now. And don't worry, it's very accurate too, and definitely it feels easy than S8. It's reachable and it's in very convenient position too. So next big reason, and this for me is enough to make me upgrade from my old phone, which is stereo speaker. And wow, I really should say this. Great job, Samsung. The audio is very clear and crispy, and I must say, this is definitely the best speaker I've tried on smartphone till date. It's not that loud, but it's damn clear. So here are some audio samples. Next reason or feature, which for me is gimmick, is AR. It's definitely not new, and definitely Samsung are not the first to make it. But do they make it better from the other companies? Well, I don't know about it, but so far it's working absolutely fine, and it's very responsive too. And by the way, it can create very good emojis or characters of yours, and you can make some GIF or GIF or I don't know, whatever it is. Next biggest reason is obviously the camera. I mean, especially in S9 Plus, the dual cameras are amazing. I took some photos, and what I felt straight away was the saturation was decreased to a very big extent, which means more realistic photo. And for those who don't know, Samsung was very bad at showing the real pictures. They all were oversaturated and was definitely not used to look real. It was the case with S6, S7, S5 and all the Samsung phones. But with S9, they are right in the track. But the front camera is still very unrealistic. It looks like I've applied a ton of powder in my face, which is obviously not true, and I really don't like it. Next reason is definitely should be form factor. I mean, this phone is big but feels so small in the hand. And let me clarify one thing, that I'm having S9 Plus right now, not S9. And even the phone is this big, it looks so small and so convenient and so comfortable in my hand. And this phone feels robust and heavy too. And it's actually a full glass body, and from my side, what the good thing that Samsung has done is that they have actually made this phone not that thicker, but still this much thicker that it actually is very grippable and it feels very premium, and I loved it. And battery in S9 Plus is good, and frankly speaking, I don't know about the battery in S9, but it's definitely going to be better than S8 Plus. So next big or gimmicky feature is that 960 frames per second slow motion, and Samsung is not the first to do it. Sony has done it before them, but whatever it is, it's good. Not excellent because it's actually up to 720p only, which means you cannot record 960 frames per second slow motion in 1080p, which is definitely a bummer. Another reason could be the specs. If you want the most powerful phone in the market, Samsung S9 or S9 Plus got you covered. I mean to say, Snapdragon 845, 6GB of RAM, 3500 mAh battery, dual camera, that display, wireless charging, IP67 or IP68, what else you want to say it, and what else you need. I mean to say, it's covering every single aspect. And performance, as you would expect, is amazing. It's rocking Oreo, and this phone feels so smooth while using it. I have no problem there. And another reason that you might want to pick this baby up should be that dual camera. And that aperture thing is amazing. And it's not a game changer, but in pro mode, well, I was shocked how much you can do actually, like ISO, white balance, putting effects, and now changing aperture. I mean, this is absolutely amazing, and for pro photographers, this pro mode can definitely make you happy. And I'm not speaking a lot about the camera because actually I didn't got that much time with the phone, so bear with me guys. I'm really sorry for that. And also we have a headphone jack, and really Samsung, really thank you so much for it. And also expandability option. And at the last, one thing I love about the phone definitely should be the melting of the edges around the screen. I mean to say, just look at it, and for sure when you actually hold the phone, you'll feel like you're holding a screen only, and that's appreciated always. And as I told earlier, this phone has some grip, and this time it's definitely true. It can be in your hand for a longer time now, and if you haven't seen this display in person, well, you are in a wrong world. The display is, I'm actually beyond my words. Just look at it. So conclusion, well, as it's an biased review, I mean to say, what would you expect? S9 or S9 Plus is definitely the way to go. If you're using S6 or S7, well, just upgrade it. But if you're using S8, well, it's all upon you. I don't know about that. But what I can say is this phone is a power pack, and yes, you will not be disappointed once you will purchase it. It's a thick, beautiful, and undoubtedly the best that Samsung makes right now. So there you have it. If you like the video, let me know by subscribing to the channel. And again, I am Ajay and I'm signing off. Bye bye.